Ever heard of a bank that fits in your pocket? No, it's not a magic trick, but it might feel like one. Today, we're diving deep into the world of challenger banks, specifically Bitwala. But before we explore its features, let's ask a crucial question: is Bitwala actually a bank? This might seem straightforward, but the world of finance is full of surprises. So, buckle up as we unpack the true nature of Bitwala and what it means for you. Traditional banks, the pillars of finance. For generations, banks have been the go-to institutions for managing our money. They hold our deposits, provide loans, and offer essential services like check cashing and wire transfers. We trust them with our financial well-being, and for good reason. Banks are heavily regulated and insured, which offers a layer of security for our hard-earned cash. The rise of the challengers, a new era of banking. But the tides are changing. The financial landscape is witnessing the rise of challenger banks, tech-driven startups that are revolutionizing the way we bank. These new players often operate entirely online, offering a sleek, app-based experience with lower fees and often higher interest rates. So, where does Bitwala fit in? Here's the interesting part about Bitwala. It doesn't quite fit neatly into the traditional bank category. While it offers many banking-like features, a current account, debit card, and the ability to send and receive money, Bitwala itself isn't a licensed bank. Instead, it partners with established banks to provide these services. This unique setup allows Bitwala to offer the convenience of a modern app with the security of a traditional bank in the background. Your funds are held in segregated accounts at the partner bank, ensuring they're protected even if something happens to Bitwala. The benefits of banking with Bitwala. So, what makes Bitwala stand out? Here are a few key advantages. Tech-savvy experience, forget waiting in lines. Bitwala offers a user-friendly mobile app that lets you manage your finances on the go. Lower fees, traditional banks can hit you with a bunch of charges. Bitwala often boasts lower fees, making it a more budget-friendly option. Crypto integration. This is where Bitwala truly breaks the mold. Unlike most traditional banks, Bitwala allows you to buy, sell, and hold cryptocurrencies directly within your account. Are there any drawbacks? While Bitwala offers a compelling package, there are a few things to consider. Limited features. Compared to traditional banks, Bitwala might have a fewer features, like safety deposit boxes or cashier's checks. Regulatory landscape. The regulations surrounding challenger banks are still evolving. While Bitwala partners with established banks, it's important to stay updated on any potential changes. Is Bitwala right for you? The decision ultimately depends on your financial needs and preferences. If you're a tech-savvy individual who values low fees and crypto integration, Bitwala could be a great fit. However, if you rely on traditional banking services or prefer the security of a brick-and-mortar bank, you might be better off with a traditional institution. The future of banking, a blend of tradition and innovation. Bitwala's emergence highlights a fascinating trend in finance. We're likely to see more collaboration between established banks and innovative fintech companies. This could lead to a future where traditional banking services are seamlessly integrated with the convenience and flexibility of challenger banks. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, happy banking.